This is another so-called living challenge for white, but it's really a capture slash escaping challenge. So it really doesn't seem good for white. The options are very limited. You might be thinking about this move. Doesn't work. Black can just Atari from behind. And white will all be captured. Similarly, this will not work. This will not work. This also doesn't work. So the only hope is probably this extension. And now, of course, black will block this way, but extending once is not enough. Black still has more liberties than these two white stones. So that's why white needs to extend one more time here. Now white has 3 liberties left, and that's what makes it very interesting. Black must play here or here. Otherwise, white will be able to win this race to capture, like this. Or this. If black plays from this side, now what's happening is that white can actually play here number 5, forcing black to come down to number 6. And now black's liberties are just tight enough for white to play at number 7 and 9. This is a connect and die. So black must allow white to capture these 3 stones. And white succeeds. Very neat sequence, and very difficult to think of. If black plays from this side, now white can throw in, and this is already a connect and die situation. Even easier. Black's strongest response is actually right here. This is a 4 liberties on 3 situation. So white cannot just play this. This will fail. White must push here on the first line. Black must block. And now white can Atari at number 7. Black obviously cannot connect, but black can play right here at number 8 to start this ko. Of course, this is a pretty good ko for white. White captures first. Black needs to find a ko threat elsewhere, and white has a local ko threat right here by connecting. Black will play on the outside here, and white will capture again. So it's a pretty good ko for white to play, and this is black's strongest resistance. Overall, pretty difficult problem, very hard to think about. Number 1 and number 3, right? Number 3 is probably the hardest move to think about. And this is exactly the type of pattern we need to calculate for in real games. Hope you find this challenge helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.